The one part of any home that withstands the most of what Mother Nature brings to bear is undoubtedly the roof. When a roof is having a problem standing up to the elements, it's GacoRoof to the rescue. GacoRoof 100% silicone roof coating minimizes nature's toll on your roof. It's highly resistant to sunlight, ozone, rain, snow, and temperature extremes. GacoRoof silicone will stay flexible and maintain adhesion, and unlike most other roof coatings, withstands permanent ponding water. Its bright white finish reflects the sun heat and destructive UV rays to drastically reduce the temperature of your roof. A roof coated with GacoRoof silicone on average is 75 degrees cooler than a black asphalt roof. The result is cooler interiors and reduced energy costs. What sets GacoRoof apart from other roof coatings is its unique silicone component, an elastomeric formed of silica and oxygen molecules, combining the impermeability and chemical resistance of glass with the versatility of rubber. Physical properties include a high degree of chemical inertness and thermal stability, which makes GacoRoof extremely resistant to oxidation, aging, staining, and moisture. What does all this mean in layman's terms? Simply, this is the last roof coating you will ever need. GacoRoof 100% silicone roof coating means the end of problem roof worries. The advantages are clear with GacoRoof. It withstands permanent ponding water. It's great for flat roofs, mobile homes, RVs, and more. Unlike acrylics, asphalt, and urethanes, it never needs recoating. It can be applied over a temperature range from freezing to 120 degrees. Its reflective surface resists ozone and UV rays, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. GacoRoof is ideal for many different roof types, including metal roofs, tar roofs, cap sheet, torch down, barrel tile, aged asphalt, plywood roofs, sprayed urethane foam, low-pitched roofs, flat roofs, mobile homes, RVs and campers, and of course, it's suitable for all commercial and residential buildings. Now, you might think that a product as tough and versatile as GacoRoof would need to be applied by seasoned professionals. But in fact, it's such an easy process, anyone can do it. The GacoRoof system consists of GacoRoof silicone roof coating and optional Gecko tape for transition areas such as seams or drains. The first step is to prepare the surface to which you'll be applying the GacoRoof coating. Clean the roof surface with Gecko Wash or other appropriate exterior cleaner. Pressure wash or scrub heavily soiled areas. Make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying GacoRoof. Repair holes or small cracks with silicone caulk and allow the caulk to dry according to manufacturer's recommendation. Before you start, stir the coating thoroughly. Because silicone coating is thicker than paint, the use of a mechanical mixer is recommended. Apply GacoRoof taping around flashings, drains, vents, skylights, seams, and other transition areas. To do this, cut the tape to the desired length and peel off release liner. Center the tape over the seam and firmly press tape into place, removing all buckles and bubbles. If applying over fasteners, press tape over all sides to conform tape to the shape of the fastener. If more than one piece of tape is going to be used, overlap any adjoining pieces of tape by a minimum of 1/2 inch. GacoRoof tape must not be left exposed, but must be coated with Gecko silicone roof coating. So far, so good. Now, once you've examined the surface areas to make sure they're clean and dry, you're ready to apply GacoRoof. Keep in mind that 2 coats are required. Using a solvent-resistant 3/4 inch nap roller, apply the GacoRoof coating in a uniform thickness at a rate of 1 gallon per 100 square feet. 100 square feet is equal to an area 10 feet by 10 feet. Be sure to keep the container tightly closed between applications. Because silicone actually uses the moisture in the air to cure, you might find a skin of cured material when you reopen the can. If so, remove the skin and discard it. The remaining coating is fine to use. After the first application, allow the coating to dry until it can be walked on. This can take anywhere from 1 to 12 hours depending on weather conditions. The higher the temperature and humidity, the faster the cure time. Now you're ready to apply your second coat. Repeat the process of uniformly applying the GacoRoof at 1 gallon per 100 square feet. After you're finished with the second coat, it will take 24 hours for the coating to fully cure. Here are a few things to remember when preparing to apply GacoRoof. Don't apply GacoRoof in temperatures below freezing. Don't apply the coating if rain is expected within 2 hours. GacoRoof is not recommended over EPDM rubber roofs. GacoRoof is not recommended for roof decks. When cleaning up after the application, clean any equipment with mineral spirits. That's it. You're done. And when we say you're done, we aren't kidding. This is the last roof coating you'll ever need. As far as maintenance goes, there really isn't any to speak of. However, it's worth noting that roof structures can settle over time. A periodic inspection of your roof is recommended, including not just the roof surface, but also flashing, vents, skylights, and transition areas. Once you've applied your GacoRoof silicone coating, you should never need to recoat it. However, if damage occurs and the roof needs to be repaired, a silicone coating must be used. In some cases, a roof may be beyond the benefits of GacoRoof. An old, neglected, or failing roof does not have the resilience to withstand the rigors of weather, and GacoRoof may not be suitable for such a roof. If you're in doubt about the condition of your roof, consult a qualified roof inspector to obtain a conclusion on the quality and suitability of your roof. When applying GacoRoof or doing any roof-related work, keep safety as your first priority. Follow safety guidelines with respect to ladders and use extreme caution whenever you're on a roof or in an elevated position. So that's all there is to it. Once you're finished, you'll never have to coat your roof again. Wouldn't it be great if all products worked as well as GacoRoof? Thank you for using GacoRoof 100% silicone roof coating. For your additional waterproofing needs, consider Gecko's other professional-grade products at a quality retailer near you. GacoRoof Colorant is a black liquid silicone colorant that allows the tinting of GacoRoof to a light gray color. Tinting is as simple as pouring the colorant into a 5-gallon container of GacoRoof and mixing by hand or mechanical mixer. Not only does this provide an alternative to the standard white coating, but also makes installing GacoRoof easier on larger jobs. Having a different color-based coat allows for easier application of the final top coat. Gecko Deck, a high-quality waterproof deck system for rooftop decks, walking decks, patios, boat landings, ramps, and other walking surfaces. Gecko Grip Texture Granules, a slip-resistant additive for paint and other coatings. For more information on GacoRoof or other Gecko products, call 1-866-422-6489 or on the web, go to www.GacoRetail.com.